This is the new Apple MacBook Pro with the M2 chip. With a 13-inch screen, it's the smallest, most powerful computer from Apple right now. You can choose this MacBook in various configurations. And in this series, I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from unboxing, specifications, connectivity, demos, and upgrading repair capabilities, to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. For interaction with this computer, it has a QWERTY keyboard, it has a touch bar, a touch ID, and a multi-touch trackpad that I can use with one finger, 2 fingers, or 3 fingers for various functions. But it also has a webcam on this bezel, on the top of the display, that you almost can't see, as a camera and as a brightness sensor. The computer also has a high-quality built-in stereo microphone. These are the various technologies for interaction with this 13-inch MacBook Pro. Let's now explore the keyboard to see in detail. This is a QWERTY keyboard. It doesn't have a numeric keypad. The number keys are in this row at the top. There is a delete key at the end of the line, and the enter key, it has 4 directional keys, half of the height, to fit in this space. And then there are some special keys. It has the function key, control, option, and command key. On this side, there is another command and option key. This 13-inch model also has a touch bar, and it is this bar here, which allows interaction and seeing the buttons. Now it's off, but if I tap it, it turns on, and now in this case you can control the brightness or sound. But the buttons that appear will depend on the application you are using. Each application has specific buttons for control. The trackpad, which is this area, to interact with the computer and control the mouse pointer, it's multi-touch and it's force touch. Multi-touch because it allows interaction with multiple fingers. You can control with just 1 finger, 2 fingers, or 3 fingers. This allows you to make different interactions and control elements or features of the application. This will depend on the application you are using or the operating system. But it is also force touch, which means it's sensitive to pressure. The force that we exert when pressing the finger, it can detect if I'm giving a little touch or I'm pressing hard. This can be useful in many applications, such as design programs that need to use the pressure to change the intensity of the tool. And there is one more special button, which I absolutely can't do without, which is the power button. But it's not just a power button. This button is a Touch ID, which means it has a fingerprint reader. So if I want to authenticate myself, I simply put my finger on the button and the system recognizes my fingerprint and authenticates me without me having to log in or write passwords. With just one touch, I avoid putting my credentials and it's much more efficient. This was another video about the 13-inch M2 MacBook Pro, but there will be more videos about this computer, from unboxing, specifications, connectivity and demos, to know everything about this computer, and you can decide if this is the best computer for you. But I have on the channel other MacBooks M1 and M2 with different specifications if you want to compare other models. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.